Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're bringing you an incredible project, a 3-day metallic epoxy installation that completely transformed the space. On day 1, we prepped everything. We grinded the concrete, repaired every imperfection, and applied our industrial base coat, creating the perfect foundation for a premium finish. On day 2, the magic started. We applied our metallic design, giving the floor that unique, flowing effect only a true epoxy system can deliver. And on day 3, we sealed everything with our protective top coat, giving it long-lasting durability, shine, and resistance. A finish built to last. Enjoy the video, watch the full process, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our transformations. Let's get into the project.
You're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect, I can't even word it. Yeah, you
invincible.